got bored with photography and I set a challenge for myself to only use this weird camera and lens setup for a few days. And today I got a chance to go out and try to capture some photographs using this setup. Find out more in this video what I think about this setup, the sample pictures, and also the behind the scenes of how I take the pictures, my thought process, camera and lens settings in this POV vlog. Welcome to my channel, I'm Gary Wuriawan and welcome to another everyday photography vlog. Today's vlog is a little bit special because I'm actually doing a challenge for myself. For a few days I want to just use this combination of camera and lens. This is the Panasonic Lumix GX850 and the 100 to 300mm lens. Such a weird combination, everything feels unbalanced, but actually it is a lot of fun. So today we are here in a location, we're in a hotel nearby Yogyakarta, and it's quite cool because we're overlooking the city of Yogyakarta with the Prambanan temple and also Mount Merapi volcano. Unfortunately it's a little bit cloudy so we cannot see the volcano, but I'm still hoping to capture some of the Prambanan temple, especially using this ultra telephoto lens. If you want to watch the other everyday photography vlog, you can check out those vlogs up here. I explain all the camera settings, lens settings, composition, behind the scene. You will see everything from the POV perspective. Anyway, let's try to take some pictures. Alright, so yeah, with my own challenge I have to use only the 100 to 300 with the GX850. So yeah, this is the lens and the camera combination of the day. I'm going to use it, and because we're here in a beautiful location like this, I want to try to take some telephoto pictures with this lens. With the ultra telephoto focal length. So yeah, setting is aperture priority. I'm keeping everything f4-5.6, probably auto ISO as well. Yep, auto ISO it is. And yeah, over there we can see there are some like temple, the Prambanan temple. I want to try to capture that using this telephoto lens. I think this is the right tool for the right job, so let's try to capture it. Let's try to find it first on the viewfinder. That's going to be a challenge by itself. There it is. I can see the temple on the viewfinder, I mean on the screen, and I'm going to capture. This is 300mm. I'm going to stop down just a little bit to about f8, just for a little bit more depth of field and also sharper overall picture. It's quite cloudy, there's a lot of mist on the ground, so it's going to be a little bit difficult, but we're just going to capture it anyway. Alright, some birds on the frame, good. I like that, adds into the overall image. What else can we capture? Let's try to capture that road over there with the trees. I think it looks really nice with some motorcycle passing by. Let's wait for the motorcycle to pass by. Alright, F1, 2, looks really nice. This is 300mm, looks really nice. What else can we capture? Right there on the foot of the mountain, I think it looks kind of cool as well. Try to capture it again. 100mm. I like the layered looks of the paddy field with the buildings and also the foot of the volcano. You know what, let's try to capture the temple once again, but this time I want to try to incorporate some, framing device. Let's use the 3 leaves right there, see how it works. Again, we have to find the temple first. Alright, there it is, and zoom in all the way to about 300mm. Let's adjust the framing. Wow, it's all shaky. The 100 to 300mm lens has optical stabilizer, so this shouldn't be a problem. Let's try to capture it one more time. Yeah, focusing is also an issue with this lens because it's such a long focal length. Alright, looks cool. Try to capture it a few more times. Right, looks nice. What else can we capture? I saw that white building over there. Looks kind of nice. Let's try to capture it. There it is. Yeah, with the trees and whatnot. It's quite cloudy and misty. So yeah, it's actually not a house. It's a reflection of a pond. Yeah, let's try to find something else. Let's see. Maybe some that white building beside the temple right there. I think it looks kind of cool. Alright, there it is. Just one picture with this guy. Nice. Oh, very difficult. This is about 250 millimeter. Yep, got it. Zoom out a little bit to about maybe 200. Yes, such a long focal length, not easy to use. Everything is still f8 by the way. Right.
Hey friends, sorry for interrupting this video. Just a quick announcement, if you want to learn how to take better pictures, you should check out my course ebook called Simplifying Travel Photography. In this ebook, you will learn all the things that you need to know about travel photography and just photography in general. It is based on my 12 plus years experience as an enthusiast travel photographer after visiting more than 20 countries around the world. And that includes composition, layering, storytelling, camera settings, mastering your lenses and focal lengths, best travel cameras, best travel lenses, travel photography gear, and many more, including plenty of sample pictures. If you are interested in getting this ebook and you want to purchase it, you can go to this link right here or scan this QR code right here using your phone, or you can go to the description below. I will put the link there as well. By purchasing this ebook, you will greatly help me to continue making high quality photography content on this channel. Thank you, and now let's continue with the video.
Alright, one more. I'm going to try to capture the temple, this time trying with a different kind of tree branch over here. So it's just a matter of selecting the right tree branch for the photograph. Still the same lens, still the same everything. Alright, I'm at f8 100 to 300 millimeter. Let's try to capture it. You know what, it's actually quite difficult to frame it with that particular tree branch, so I'm just going to capture it as it is, just the temples, nothing else. Wow, quite difficult to focus. Not because the lens sucks at autofocus, but actually because it's such a long focal length and it's not contrasty at all. So yeah, it's quite a challenge for the lens. Not just for this lens, but for any lens, unfortunately. So let's try to capture it a few more times. The misty look kind of looks interesting actually, because it gives you that certain mood. It's not bright and cheerful, but it's more like mysterious and adds a little bit of drama. Oh yeah, by the way, this is all raw and I will post-process everything later on. So yeah, just to let you know, I will process in Lightroom as usual. Let's try to find something there. I saw a nice white building on the distance. There it is. Let's try to find a layered look. Let's put it with a rule of thirds on the composition, on the framing, like this. Maybe it looks nice, maybe it won't, but this is just a practice and a challenge for myself. Nice. That building over there looks kind of cool, the white building. I'm going to try to capture it. 100. This is about 150. Let's try. Looks nice. Alright. And that wraps up today's video. So that is all for today's vlog. Hopefully this has been interesting, inspiring and fun to watch. Please let me know in the comment down below which one is your favorite picture, and also don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video, subscribing to my channel down below. And if you want to support my channel even further, consider using affiliate links down below in the description or use the super thanks button. Thank you and see you on the next video. Goodbye.